A leading global manufacturer approached MMCI about handling their vertical cylindrical filtration automation needs. With over 1,000 SKU variations and over 100 case sizes to construct, utilizing a 24-volt MDR conveyor, a dual case erector robotic cell, automatic top sealer, dual multi-size pallet hoppers with light indicators for size, auto tool changeover on pick and place, accumulation pallet conveyor, and an inline stretch wrapper for completion. This cell design is truly turnkey. Two static flat case hoppers allow the FANUC arm to pick, construct, label on two sides, and seal the bottom case to be used for that particular SKU run. Filters are fed onto the line and positioned for pick and place, utilizing the FANUC arm with vision system. With an MMCI-designed flap opener and the tool designed to touch only the rim of the filter, the products are lightly handled into the cases. An automatic top sealer carries the completed case to the pick position for palletizing. Once a layer of product is in the queue, the MMCI FANUC arm will add a tool change to vacuum pick the product for pallet build positioning. The same vacuum tool allows MMCI to pick and place a pallet at the build position from one of two static hoppers. Once the build is complete, it travels through an automatic stretch wrapper and then onto the complete pallet pickup station.